tips in 10 days. 10 mini credit tips in 10 days. In the next 10 days, I will share with you my top 10 tips on credit. My name is Rajiv Verma. I am the owner and principal broker at Simplify Mortgage Solutions, the mortgage center in Canada. My passion is advocating and educating for credit-challenged clients. Educating consumers so they can realize their credit potential for their best possible mortgage or financing solutions. With better credit, my clients and followers will be told yes, be able to get their dream home. Better buying power, get the lowest interest rates available and live the lifestyle they deserve. Follow me and I promise to share every secret and tip I have learned from my industry and related professionals. Here is my story. More than a decade, I've been working in the mortgage industry to help people to realize their dream home and also helping people with bruised or credit-challenged situations as well. As a mortgage broker, working with multiple lenders including major banks, credit unions, mortgage investment corporations as well as a wide pool of private investors and lenders. To help Canadians in almost all situations for a better solutions for all their financing needs. Today, we are proud to offer our service for all Canadians regardless of their credit situations. Tell me, what challenges are you facing with your credit or financial decisions which are holding you back from your dream home? Get the low-cost financing needs as we have solutions for almost all situations? I want to know, good and bad. If you would like to share, you can send email directly. I strive to answer everyone in a timely manner. I look forward to hearing from you. Rajiv Verma, Mortgage Broker Direct, 647-291-7116 www.simplifymortgage.ca. Stay tuned for next 10 days for 10 credit tips.